The QEG controller has a special installers menu where some of the features of your QEG controller can be adjusted to suit your preferences. To access the installers menu, press and hold the plus and minus buttons at the same time for 10 seconds. Then press OK to access the menu. You can move forwards and backwards through the menu with the plus and minus buttons. If you wish to change any of the options, press the OK button. The default feature is the flashing text. Press plus or minus to change the feature to another selection. Press OK to confirm the flashing text. The adjustable features are digital clock. The default setting is that no digital clock is displayed, but you can select a digital clock to be displayed beneath and in addition to the analog clock. If you select the digital clock, you can then choose between AM/PM or 24-hour mode styles of display. The backlight is permanently on. You can select permanently off or button activated. If you select button activated, the backlight will be visible whenever a button is pressed and for 20 seconds after the last button press. Summer-winter change is the setting which will automatically add and deduct the hour from the current time display on the correct date in the spring and autumn. If you prefer, you can turn off this function, although normally the function would be left on. The programming type is weekly. In this mode you can program each day with a different on-off time schedule, or you could select daily. All days are to be programmed with the same on-off schedule. No day can be different. Or you can select 5 and 2. You can, in this mode, program Monday to Friday with one on-off schedule and Saturday to Sunday with a different on-off schedule. The number of periods is the number of switching periods available per day. The default is 3 pairs, which gives an AM, midday and afternoon or evening switching sequence. You can change this to 2 periods if you wish to give you just an AM and PM sequence. The default programs sets the program which is running automatically in the background. The standard is default. You can select a home program or an eco program as alternatives. Please see the user instructions for the time settings of these inbuilt program choices. Fully pumped or gravity will set the output of your QEG controller to match your heating system type. The default is fully pumped, but if you have a gravity hot water system, you can select the gravity option. As a general rule, if when you select hot water only and your pump runs, then you have a fully pumped system. If when you select hot water only and the pump does not run, you have a gravity system. If in doubt about which setting to choose, please consult your heating system installer. The last option is Reset. If you want to put all of the parameters of the installer's menu back to the factory default settings, you can reset the programmer by selecting Yes and then pressing OK. After completing your review of and any changes to the installer settings, the screen will return to the installer's menu screen. To save changes, you must press the plus key one last time. To quit the installer's menu without saving changes, you could press the Run button.